Go ahead and open it.
I don't know how.
You don't know how? Just, okay, slide the ribbon off. Slide it off. Slide it off again. Slide it off, Joey. There you go.
Oh, then we have to do it on the bottom.
Mm-hmm. What is it, Joey?
It's a new DVD.
Yeah? Let's see, what does it say? Show Mom. It's Dumbo!
Dumbo! This is mine.
That's right. Okay. Why don't you get another one from your parents? Or Jane.
What the? Where are those? I don't know what those are.
Those are called wagon wheels.
Wagon wheels?
Yeah.
Says, who's that?
Okay, over with Dad, Jane. Open your present.
Oh. Sadie, says. This is for the watch.
Mm-hmm.
Is this a long one?
Uh-huh.
Is it a long one?
Yes.
Yeah? I've never seen this long. How long is it?
There we go. Can you open this?
There's tape on it.
Uh-oh. Jane.
Hey, it's Pop. Daddy.
Thank you.
What? Hey. What? What does it have a wrap on it? Oh, this one. Two. Huh? You have a string.
Hold on.
Daddy.
Okay, let's get it out of the box now.
It's a new computer.
Yep.
It's not old. It's
No.
not old.
Nope, it's new.
Sadie. We have
Dad's trying to get it out of the box, Jane.
three computers now.
Hmm.
Yeah. Two new computers and one old computer.
Yep. Now this is Jane's computer.
Yeah.
Scissors.
Stuck.
Got some scissors.
Yeah.
How does that work? How does it work?
Well, it has to get turned on first. That's a great computer for Jane.
Where's the turn on place?
It's right there. Jane found it.
Hi. Personalize your emails. Go to leapfrog.com/Q
Says what?
Queen
Look
bee.
out. Move your fingers.
Says
Yeah.
Bee. Dinosaur.
Okay.
What? You can move.
All right.
There's the mouse.
Yeah.
New blog entry.
Echo!
I spent
Let's get Elizabeth one.
Elizabeth?
Yep. Get the bag in the back. That's for her.
Let's do it. Where is it? Hey, there it is.
Can you give that to Elizabeth?
Say, he doesn't know how to open it.
Elizabeth, look in here.
Sit.
Joe will help you. Oh, she wants the computer.
He wants a computer, I guess.
You want to tie that?
Yeah.
Elizabeth, come look in here. Elizabeth, come here. Elizabeth, come here.
Wow.
Give it to Elizabeth.
This is here.
I think the computer's the hit.